Are you planning to visit Japan for the first time? Here's a guide on how you can secure your tourist visa. First, we would like to thank the Attic Tours main office for helping us process our visa. Super smooth and hassle-free yung experience namin with them. So, ito na yung mga sinabit namin na requirements. Passport. Make sure na valid pa to 6 months within your travel dates and dapat may signature to. Visa application form. Double check nyo yung mga details na i-input nyo. Passport size. Photo must be taken within 6 months. Photocopy ng passport bio page. Then birth certificate dapat issued by PSA within 1 year. For married naman, dapat merong marriage certificate same na issue ng PSA within 1 year. Then itinerary. Ito yung sample itinerary namin. Bank certificate, dapat merong ADB within the last 6 months. ITR, Form 23162 na dapat may signature ng employer at employee. Employment certificate, dapat nandun yung period of employment nyo, salary, and position. And kay ate, nagsama na lang kami ng photocopy ng student ID niya. Full-time housewife ako, wala akong binigay na bank certificate, ITR, or COE. Hindi kami nag-present ng guarantee letter, pero nasa requirements to, so mas okay na gumawa na lang din kayo. Pwede kayong mag-book ng appointment sa VFS, mas mura dito. But if you want someone to assist you para masigurado na okay ang lahat ng requirements, pwede pa rin kayong magpa-help sa mga travel agencies. May additional fees nga lang. And if ever na mag-BFS kayo at hindi kayo mismo yung pupunta, kailangan nyo lang ng authorization letter at ID. So, ayun lang. Sana nakatulong to sa pagkaplan nyo ng Japan trip. Good luck! Bye! Follow for more!